Assalamualaikum and very good day. Let us continue our LT8 discussion with Java coding. So let me create a new package for the LT. Let me name the package name as a LT demo LT8. So I'm going to copy several classes from previous LT. So I copy 5 classes from lab task number 7 and paste them in demo lab task 8. So paste it. So I'm doing refactoring. So all of my 5 classes has been inside the package demo lab task number 8. Okay, so we're going to add interface. So to add interface, we just select the Java interface here. Select Java interface, and then we name it as interface as a PeopleCarrier. So for the first interface, so you notice that the naming instead of the class, we have an interface keywords here. So we have 3 field or data member in interface, which is that MPV seater. So then I provide the value. So if notice here, I did not put a final. So if I insert final as a keyword also, you notice that there is no error, because in an interface, all of the field or data member is a constant or final. Okay, so say I naming as a sedan seater. So the one should be 5. Then I have another ones. Copy seater is 2. So let me confirm with the question. Yeah, it's correct. So we have and then let me check the name of the method set passenger capacity. So we add abstract method set passenger capacity. I think change passenger capacity. Change capacity. Mistaken. Set passenger capacity. Okay. Alright. So then should be void. I think so. This in class diagram is showing int. We change it to void. So this one should be void lah. So the void is already true. So basically the method set passenger capacity is actually a abstract method, but we did not supply an abstract keyword here. If you want to supply them, sorry, this wrong. I'm wrongly typed the abstract. So you notice that there is no error here. If I remove an abstract, also doesn't have any error, because inside the interface all the methods is abstract. Alright, let us do second interface. Sorry, which is that GoodsCarrier. So inside the GoodsCarrier we have also 2 fields, which is that they mention here about 2 Excel. We just provide the value so 2 Excel, and another one is for Excel here, and then there is one abstract method change passenger capacity. Okay, so already have a good interface. Follow the question requirement, okay, and a GoodsCarrier and PeopleCarrier. So now I'm moving to vehicle, as I did mention inside the vehicle class. So vehicle class is actually an abstract class. I need to supply an abstract methods, okay, an abstract abstract keywords or reserved words in the header of vehicle class, which is that abstract class. So once the vehicle become abstract, it can't create an object for the classes. And then there is one abstract method. The method is called facelift design. So let us do the facelift design. This is an abstract method, so we need to provide an abstract keyword. Facelift design. This, okay. Alright, so this is facelift design. Okay. Before that, if we have also connection. The vehicle also have connection between to the people carrier and goods carrier. So the connection is some kind, we call it as an interface. Implements, so it should be includes and implements. Then we just name it a people carrier and goods carrier. So this is the vehicle has relationship with people carrier and good carrier. So you will notice that in the car, if say now you will notice that there is an error, right? So the errors show us that the car is not abstract, it does not override abstract method facelift design. So means that we know that the car is a concrete method, concrete class. So we need to override the facelift design from the vehicle class. So inside the vehicle, we know that we have an abstract class. So the subclasses for the vehicle, which is that lorry and car, should override the facelift design. So I will going to override the facelift design. Facelift design method. So I provide it with a body. So you have an we can add the tagging here to show that facelift design actually an overriding method from the parent class vehicle. Okay, let us see what is the content inside the facelift design. So facelift design here, if your model of the car is Skyline, it will print out this information. If your model of the car is Odyssey, it print out this information. Okay, this information will be printed out when you calling them in the main. But then right now we need to do all of this body ataupun or statement of this facelift design inside the facelift design methods. So let us go to the facelift design method in the car class. So we have a selection if, which is the method. We can get a get model and do equals, whereby that it will compare with a model that been entered by the user and the statement here Skyline, right? So I want to print out them. So the printing is based on the output here. So facelift design, so the facelift design here show that Mugen design front bumper. So Mugen from front bumper is came from here, right? Mugen from bumper. So we need to enter show passenger. Let me see the show car facelift design. Okay, the statement here, show car facelift design. Okay, then we just copy let me copy them. Oh, I can't copy. Oh, here you can copy that from this bumper. Here lah. Right, let me do it in one line. Okay, and then we copy them and enter here. That one should be else if. Okay, then this one for Odyssey else if, this one for Supra. Okay, and this one for Odyssey. So and then you have another else, right? So like this. So So mention here this one, the output should be based on here. Let me copy and paste it in the here. And then the last one is okay. This one should be okay. Last one should be no facelift model. Okay, I'm done it with facelift design for the car, and then we do for the lorry. Okay, because lorry also has an required overriding method for facelift design as well. Even though the car also still not clear the error, still having an error. So you notice that the error method of set passenger capacity. Later we do set passenger capacity in the car. So let me do for the lorry first. So I just copy from the car and paste it in the lorry. So of course lorry is not get model, it should be the get brand. So the brand is, I think the first one is Scania, and then the second one should be I think there are only 2 models, so I remove the rest. Put the rest, then let us change the value. The value is here, chrome trim girl air for Scania. So I copy and paste it here. Right, this is for the Scania, and then we copy it for the Volvo. Okay, let me make it in one line, right? And then it's no facelift design. So we already have facelift design, and then I just add the tagging here. Okay, for another 2 methods, variety method in lorry and as well as car, I will be continue it after this.